Fijian ambassador to China, Manasa Kiebaؤ, has hailed China's efforts in preserving traditional Tibetan culture and lifestyle while boosting economic development in the country's Tibet Autonomous Region. Kiebaؤ paid a visit to several communities in Ningxi, Tibet last week.
But what I am astonished about is the preservation of culture. During this process of development, during this process of venturing into new sectors to assist them in their local economy, they continue to preserve their culture. We walk into a modern house that they live in now, and you can still see the way they hit the house. That used to be the traditional way they do it, but now they have a modern way of doing it, but they're still keeping that tradition of hitting the house, and now using that apparatus to boil water, cook their food. The way they dress, they're still maintaining their traditional dresses. These are things that can be lost easily during development processes. So I am very impressed with the way Tibet has preserved its culture.
Kiebaؤ also spoke highly of the local government's efforts in developing tourism by integrating cultural experiences.
Actually, these two sectors, they usually go together, tourism and culture. Okay. Because usually when the tourists, visitors, they would like to see and know about the tradition, about the culture, about the history, not just the landscape, about the people that live there. They would like to see something different from where they come from. And you can only be different by introducing your culture, because your culture is unique to you. And they keep this culture alive by showcasing their culture and tradition to the tourists. They keep their culture and tradition alive, and they earn some money from it.
Kiebaؤ is among a group of diplomats, media professionals, and other international visitors that was invited to tour Ningxi, Tibet between May 15th and 18th. They had an opportunity to observe the natural landscapes, cultures, and development outlook of the city. The visit came ahead of the 2023 Tibet Development Forum in Beijing, which is scheduled for May 23rd.